warning for Okaloosa County, Florida. Effective until 1:23 p.m., the National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a flash flood warning for south central Okaloosa County in northwest Florida until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time, very heavy rainfall was indicated over the warned area, and radar estimates show up to 2 to 3 inches of rainfall has occurred over the past hour. This will likely cause flash flooding in the warned area. Locations impacted include Lake Lorraine, Valparaiso, Eastville, Eglin AFB,